surface area and volume of cylinder, cone and sphere. You know about a cylinder. Actually, जैसे water pipes. These are cylinder है. Cylinder may be solid or may be hollow. If in the question it is not mentioned anything, means simple cylinder बोलने से we generally consider about the solid cylinder. Again, cylinder, when the question comes about cylinder, generally we consider about a right cylinder. Right cylinder means when the height of the cylinder, this is your height of the cylinder, and it makes 90 degree with the base. This is your base. This is your base. Your base is a cylinder is having two bases. One is at the top and one is at the bottom in this figure, and this is the height. This is your height. So the surface right cylinder means the height is perpendicular with the base. It makes 90 degree. So generally if nothing is mentioned means we consider about right cylinder. Now surface area of cylinder. Surface area for cylinder. Cylinder मतलब यहाँ पर surface area for cylinder. Suppose we are interested to find a curved surface area. Curved एक है हमारे पास एरिया में एक है कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया it is also known as a lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. In curved surface area and lateral surface area, we don't count the base areas, okay? And in a whole surface area, we also count the base areas. Now first we will found curved surface area, but it is shortly written as curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder. It is your formula is 2 pi r h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height of the cylinder. Now whole surface area. This is your whole surface area. Now here we have to 2 pi r is lateral surface area, the curved surface area plus your base area. There are two circles. So area of one circle is pi r square. So two circle ka 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. If you will take 2 pi r common from here, 2 pi r common, here you will get h plus r. This is the whole surface area. Now volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder means your volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Are you clear? Now if it is a hollow cylinder, then in order to find out the volume, suppose in order to find the volume, we have to consider here two radius. Suppose this is so there is the thickness of the metal. Then you will see, when you will look to the base, you will see like this. So this is the outer radius. Base ko if you will see, it will look like this. This represents the thickness. Okay. Here it is the, suppose A, B. A, B is the let R2, R1. And your AC. AC is equal to R2. Then volume of the material. Volume of material used, volume of the material used in making the cylinder, in making the cylinder is pi r1 square h minus pi r2 square h. Are you clear? Now we will come to cone. Now we will come to cone. Cone